HGMD Professional is now seamlessly integrated into Franklin, bringing expert-curated evidence directly into Franklin's intuitive workflows for variance interpretation. In this video, you'll see how Franklin streamlines variant analysis, accelerates decision-making, and allows you to easily view and apply HGMD's expert-curated evidence in a single platform. The Franklin Workbench is your central workspace designed to prioritize the variants that matter most to you. Instead of sorting through thousands of calls, Franklin's rapid prioritization ranks variants using ACMG classifications and inheritance models, phenotype matching including HPO terms, population frequency data, and curated sources like HGMD, ClinVar, ClinGen, and scientific literature. Here we will show you an example of a whole genome analysis. You'll see that Franklin returns a short, prioritized list of clinically relevant variants for each case. Each variant appears in a clean, color-coded tile that communicates the ACMG classification and the Franklin suggested classification. For example, WNT10A is marked with a red dot on the left side to indicate a possible classification suggested by Franklin, as well as stars above the tile to indicate additional information, including the DM classification by HGMD. If you click on the arrow on the right side of the Variant tab, you'll get a drop-down of comprehensive information and the evidence used for assessment. You will also see information on frequency, zygosity, population data, mode of inheritance, confidence metrics, and information from ClinVar. These variant tiles provide a ranked actionable list that is clear, visual, and optimized for rapid interpretation. You can then select the variant and decide if it has clinical relevance in your case, as we show here. While evaluating your case, if you click on the Variants tab on the left-hand side of your screen, you will get a list of all the detected variants in your case. Here you can use Franklin's flexible and dynamic variant filtering feature. You can filter by many parameters, for example phenotype, Franklin classification, HGMD classification, and population frequency. Franklin's quick filters uses a decision tree system that allows you to apply different criteria in parallel. You can create presets to predefine your filtering path during variant triage. You can start broad with rare protein-altering variants, then refine by inheritance pattern dominant, recessive, homozygous, or compound heterozygous, and so on. Additionally, you can adjust thresholds, add or remove parameters such as ClinVar, HGMD population data, inheritance mode, ACMG evidence, and immediately see how your variant list updates. With Franklin, there is no restarting, no rigid settings, just fast, interactive filtering that adapts as the clinical picture evolves. Following sequence upload, Franklin generates a detailed coverage report across all relevant genes. This can be seen on the left-hand side by selecting Coverage Report. When using a panel like Whole Genome, you can instantly assess coverage depth and identify poorly sequenced regions to determine whether follow-up testing is needed. You can switch between panels at any time in order to determine what your coverage is for each of the panels. If you'd like to specifically look at a wider range or a specific range, scrolling down on the left-hand side allows you to filter these different regions. If we're to select the medium coverage space, we would see all of these variants. And by selecting on each tile, we can identify the areas that might be of interest for determining whether or not a call is real or not, or if additional testing is needed. You can switch between panels anytime without resequencing, keeping your analysis aligned with updated clinical insights as the case evolves. Once you've prioritized variants, the next step is validating clinical evidence. This is where deep literature-curated evidence becomes essential. Franklin offers two powerful access points into HGMD Professional's gold standard content. First, through the search function, located at the top left of the screen. This is a global view for exploring genes and variants. Variant review and report preparation. Users can also evaluate evidence through their own organizational knowledge base. For example, if your parent carries a BRCA1 variant, you can instantly see HGMD curated entries and supporting publications. Once you pull up the gene, HGMD Pro is on the left-hand side of the window. Once you select this section, you'll be able to see all of the variant types that have been identified, as well as a list of variants identified within HGMD. If you'd like to break this down further, you can utilize the filters at the top of the screen to quickly select how you would like to view your evidence. You can also analyze at the variant level within a live active case. HGMD evidence appears directly in the Variant Assessment tab alongside ClinVar, population data, and Franklin's community evidence. You can select it by selecting HGMD Pro on the left-hand side of your screen, and once selected, it will take you to the region that identifies both the disorder associated with the variant you are evaluating, as well as all of the literature that is available in Franklin, including comments from the curators. Any available HGMD information is quickly available for any variant that has been identified by HGMD, including classification, literature, and curator comments. This dual access model allows you to zoom out for broad research or zoom in for patient-specific interpretation, all in one platform. After completing varying assessments, the final step is generating defensible clinical reports. Franklin removes the administrative burden by automating the most time-consuming parts of drafting text. Franklin's dynamic snippet library accelerates interpretation and reporting by giving you pre-written, clinically validated text blocks that automatically adapt to the variant gene and evidence in your case. Once selecting Classify Variant, scroll down to the interpretation space, select your snippet library and select from any of the options available to create your interpretation summary. Once the necessary snippets are selected, curators have the option to use Franklin's AI to polish the summary to improve readability and remove grammatical errors. This ensures your reports are accurate, consistent, and ready to finalize in minutes, not hours. Additionally, while Franklin offers a snippet library, you as the user have the ability to create your own snippets that Franklin can upload and customize for you as well. You are not limited by Franklin, only empowered. With the combined power of Franklin's automation and HGMD's expert curation, labs can streamline case analysis, accelerate interpretation, and deliver clinically actionable results with unprecedented efficiency.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.